Oh my God, there's so many sheep. What's going on? All the oh my God. He's hard work. Sir, thank you so much.
Let's take you on an adventure through the beauty of Morocco, where we show you the true culture of the northern region and explore some special hidden gems while on our road trip.
Assalamu alaikum from Fez, ladies and gentlemen. We only stay for one day in Fez, one full day, and we're leaving now in the morning time. We just rented a car. It's a pretty new car, not bad for the price. We're heading to Meknes now. So it's a beautiful day to be alive, isn't that right, Madeleine? He's just organising the GPS, but I'm just leaving Fez now and see a lot of places on the way.
We have a plan.
We have a plan, yeah.
We have a good plan.
Somewhere every day, so it's gonna be nice. Woohoo! Let's do this, guys! Small pit stop. We're selling a lot of pomegranate here actually, and then we have a lake there behind us. We are going to Meknes, but not the actual village. We're going to the outskirts, Volubilis. There's some old ruins there we need to check out, and it's a famous landmark, so definitely going to check this out. But first we're going to get some pomegranate juice. Look at the view in the background, it's beautiful. And that's a new car. It's yeah, it's pretty new actually. The French car. Assalamu alaikum. Keep a look. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Shukr. How are you? He peels the pomegranate. Makes it less sour, I think. Professional juice maker. 100% pomegranate. Beautiful actually. The pomegranate farm close by. Over here in the back. Ah, okay. That's why it's so. I find the more north you go, it's becoming more green and a lot more farmland compared to the south, where it's just dry land, of course, more closer to the desert. Makes sense. I haven't really seen any lakes in Morocco. Not too many. That's why they grow so much crops here, I suppose.
So I just asked him about when the season is for the pomegranate, and he said it starts in September and it ends in December, and it's all locally produced.
Ah, so the pomegranate's going to be cheaper.
In Morocco, from September to December.
Okay. Get some almonds as well, from the farm back behind us. Oh, alhamdulillah. What's he saying?
He's saying in winter the water is coming. That's all.
Ah, I see.
Water.
Oh wow.
In summer it's
Yeah.
Let's go. To continue talking. That's all I know so far. Let's explore the place.
The Romans ruled here for about 200 years until 285 AD, when the empire grew too large to control. The city fell to local tribes around 285 AD and was never retaken by Rome because Volubilis was one of the most remote outposts of the Roman Empire. One of the most famous structures at Volubilis is the Triumphal Arch of Caracalla, built in the Roman Emperor upon his death in 217 AD. Volubilis continued to be inhabited for centuries after the end of the Roman control, although people continued to live in Volubilis for several more centuries. It was probably almost deserted by the 14th century. In the area that the ruined city is located, it's really difficult to imagine that you're still standing in Morocco.
So that's the top of a Capitol column, and the way it's made, you can see which age it was, and this is the Corinthian time. I hope I pronounced it correctly. So yeah, that's pretty interesting.
We continued our journey north while the terrain was changing dramatically in front of us from dry land to green and full of life. It's crazy how diversified Morocco can be when you fully explore what it has to offer. We passed by many villages and stayed on a local farm between Meknes and chefchaouen.
We have a beautiful sunset in the background. Anyways, we're turning into our Airbnb here into the off-road. Yes, I'm serious. Off-road. This is the way it says. So we're going off-road right now. You got this. It's pretty tight, isn't it? It's pretty tight, this spot here. Yeah, further, yeah. Keep going. Oh, we have sheep and all in the farm here. This is super local. And then we have the sunrise in the background. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Everything's under control, I think. Everything's under control, madam. With the baby chickens. Oh my god. What's going on? Yeah, this is it here to the left. Follow the chickens, they're telling us where to go. They're our guide. Oh wow. Look at
Myself
this.
and Madeleine love animals,
This is
so
beautiful.
it was the right place to stay while enjoying organic food grown from the
All
land.
the sheep are talking to me. All the goats are talking to me here. We're on the farm. Oh my god, you have all the ducks and the oh my god, there's so many sheep. What's going on? All the ma, ba, ba, ma. How are you doing? Ma, you're so cute, aren't you? Ba, how are you doing? Ma, yeah. I'm your ma. Shukran. Ah, legumes, okay.
Oui, je vais te montrer, il reste une. C'est au Maroc. Oui. Et ça, c'est le persil.
Ah, persil.
La dernière fois, je le mets
Ah,
pour
ok.
qu'il donne un goût.
Et c'est mix. C'est.
Mix et le faire filtrer. Bien sûr.
That's quality in town.
She just put like some eggs, waits to reheat it, and then she put in the parsley.
Okay.
And now she waits to reheat it again, and then it's done.
Oh,
Very
wow.
long process. It takes around 2 hours.
2 hours to make
Just
Moroccan soup.
explain, Yeah, she explained.
Yeah, fresh.
They try it, no?
A bit dry.
Dried figs, but from their own garden.
Okay.
Seems like she made this with love. Moroccan soup.
And I'm not sure what that is actually.
It seems like sweetish.
Sweet tagine, I think.
Oh la la.
Alright, we're just gonna enjoy dinner time now with the locals, with the people from the farm. And I'm joking. They own this farm, yeah, and it's a beautiful place. But we're gonna have some food now and finish the night and probably
One
go
of
to bed.
3 best
So-
meals I've ever had in Morocco. Oh.
I'll have some chamomile tea. Good night. Again.
No. You have to be careful.
I know, yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe for future content.